Alright, here's a video on a new project I got going. Some of you guys that follow what I got going on might be like, what the fuck? It takes all kinds. I love all motorcycles. If you know me personally, you know I work on everything. I mean, these are just some of my clients. These are just some of the bikes I work on. Japanese, Triumph, electric, old Duck, new KTM, brand new Dyna, FZ, the most hammered Ninja ever, and so on and so forth. But I've been looking for this particular model GS for a while, 06, non-ABS, and this is where I'm at. I just got it about a month ago, and took it on one trip so far. I mean, you can't beat 400 miles to a tank. And nice and tall, good suspension. I'll eventually do a video. I'm going to upgrade that. I'm actually going to make the bike even taller. Might do a 21-inch front wheel. But we'll get to that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, so far, I did the bars. Went with the Pro Taper Adventure highs. Drilled them out for the throttle on that side and whatnot. Put real barkbusters on it. Cut the levers down. I'm gonna put risers underneath here and go up another 1.5 inches and bring them back, whatever those risers. I think it's up 1.5 inches and back about 1 inch. So when I'm not standing up, I'm not leaning over. But it's an 06 non-ABS model. And I'm going to do a bunch of stuff to it. But here's where we're at so far. Also going to be making stuff for this. If you know the other bikes I fuck with, I make parts for some stuff. Not on a manufacturing level, but I make stuff and modify stuff to make these bikes better. In conjunction with some other people who make stuff so the bikes are better, but I'm going to be doing the same thing with the Beamer. Full crash bar for around the head, so you don't got to run the skid plates. Full skid plate for the bottom here. Yep. Adventure highs, went to a different clutch cable. Got rid of the stock clutch cable with the flimsy little ends. Built my own. Just got a line in the banjos. Heavier duty line like the later GS. Gonna do the same with the front brake. Just about out of length there. That's the cockpit. That's where we're at on the GS project. I'd also probably going to pull the tranny out. I'm not 100%. I got to do a little more research. But I'd like to get some sort of overdrive like the police bikes in the 6th gear. This bike's heavy enough to go down the road and got the power to go down the road in 6th gear way faster at a less RPM. So I know that's something you could do with the 1150s. I'm not sure about the 1200s. I got to do a little research, but yes, here's where we're at.